Hello, and thank you for visiting Sleeper Barbecue. We got an Oklahoma Joe onion burger to do, and we're going to put a little twist on it. So give me a minute here, and we'll bring you right back. So the topping on this Oklahoma Joe onion burger, this is going to have a lot of onion in this burger because obviously the hamburger's made with onion. But this is a first time for me seafood salad that I've made, and it's got three types of onions in it. It's got green spring onion, white onion, red onion, and instead of the green pepper, I substituted a poblano pepper, steamed up some shrimp, imitation crab meat, and then your seasonings. And I'll get this on video one other day, but like I say, with it being my first one, and I had to substitute a seasoning on it, I'd rather put out the video that's correct. But this is going to be the topping of our hamburger, if I have not said that. So then right here we're going to skillet make this Oklahoma Joe hamburger and cook it on the Weber. We'll bring you back here shortly. Alright, so we've got our pan buttered. A layer of onions in there, and I'm going to go with a little bit of duck fat also because I really need this thing to release for me. We'll bring you back here shortly. So all I'm going to do is start putting the hamburger on here. Alright, there you have it. That's probably about a good pound of hamburger right there. And I just pressed it in to the onion, trying to get it, the onion pushed up into this hamburger as much as I can. Before we go out to the Weber, I'm going to be seasoning the top of this with Uncle Steve's sweet and spicy herb. Alright, as you can see, I got the vortex going. And we're just going to throw this skillet on here. I have no idea how this is going to turn out, if it's going to turn out. It's just an experiment. I like to play with the cooking, experiment with things, and I guess I was basically thinking, keeping all the onion together, yet getting, maybe some, maybe if I was even thinking of a cookie sheet at one time and making these even larger so that, maybe you don't have to make individual hamburgers for everybody, where you can make a whole sheet of this stuff and then just cut your hamburgers to size. But man, you can smell them onions, some kind of good. So we're making some progress. Got some shrinkage, which I'm sort of kind of happy for. It might probably make it easier for me to flip this thing, but trying to figure out how I'm going to get this little spatula to flip that 9" by 9" hamburger. That's a spatula. Alright, we're going to try and give this thing a flip. First time ever, huge ass hamburger. My other concerns is that the grease that's in this pan, I'm really not wanting to flip it over top of them coals. But I promise you, I'm going to make this work. I have to go back to that little spatula. Well, I got it on there. Now the problem is getting it flipped over. Me and my harebrained ideas. Let's get a little bit of butter on the rolls. get them toasted. Alright, there's the burger. We gotta move pretty quick because I got the AC on and it's blowing right on me right now, so it's cooling this burger down pretty quick. But alright, we got a few of our hamburgers on buns. Let's bring in that seafood salad. I don't know why, but for some reason my rolls are always too small. God, gotta get you some of that. Alright, so Mrs. Sleeper has hers. I think she can only eat a quarter of it. But it's a big hamburger. But we're gonna slice this one and take a bite of it ourselves. Because she looked at me and shook her head with a mouthful, and I took that as a, you know, an okay. Seafood salad skillet hamburger. Yes, indeed. Excellent. Man, I am stuffed. I managed to get 1.5 of those burgers in, and I should have stopped at the first one. Excellent, excellent hamburger. I was sort of kind of hoping that the onions would have stuck around a little bit longer, but I guess having to fry them up in that skillet, and they got a little crispy on me, and they taste great like that. But I had a lot of onions in that pan, and there wasn't a whole lot left on the underside of that hamburger. But 9x9 skillet hamburger, onion, cheese, and homemade seafood salad with spring green pepper, white onion, red onion, poblano pepper to substitute the green pepper, some salad seasonings, Old Bay, lemon pepper, imitation crab meat. I steamed up shrimp and cut that up and put it in the salad, some Duke's mayonnaise, some Old Bay, and a little bit of Heath Riles Cajun Creole garlic butter. Put that in and mixed it on the top till I got to taste it a little bit. Out of this world. Out of this world. There you go. That's my rendition of a seafood onion cheeseburger. Onion and cheese hamburger. Excellent. Good stuff. I'll do it again. I'm Lance with Sleeper Barbecue out of St. Mary's County, Maryland. Thanks for watching. And if you would, please give me a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. It helps the channel tremendously. Much appreciated. We'll see you on the next one.